is, I think.
Got a drug deal going on early in the morning. We're gonna make it to Texas today.
Hey man, before we do you want some?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I bet you do.
All right. Hardest part is the morning. We have just packed up. We're gonna start walking. We got our drugs, ibuprofen that is, and
Foxy looks like she's gonna cry.
Someone have non-icy water?
No. We all slept outside.
we're making it to Texas today. Long Route 66, just a lot of rundown buildings and stuff. Here's a, I think it's somewhat of a famous or somewhat of a noted modern restroom building, and some other buildings over here as well we're gonna check out. We're hitting the pavement once again. We're about 8 miles in today, and that means we're coming up on the historical Glenrio, which is not only New Mexico but Texas as well. There is a historical gas station and post. Aha! I'm in New Mexico, and now I'm in Texas, baby. Come on, guys, you're almost to Texas. Come on over. Let me welcome you to my state. Woo! How do you feel? Texas is amazing. Chris is almost here. He's not here yet. He's in New Mexico. He's in New Mexico. Yeah! All right, back on the 40, baby. Let's do it. Woo-hoo. It's beautiful. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning.
It's a good morning until you do that.
Good morning. Oh, oh, oh. Good morning from Monkey, good morning from Monkey.
Today we're heading to Adrian, which is the halfway point between Los Angeles and Chicago. It doesn't make a lot of sense because Route 66 doesn't even end in Los Angeles, but we'll take it. Anyway, there they have the Midpoint Cafe where the Cars movie producers, they went there and they're like, whoa, this is good. And so they put that part of the cafe in the movie. I don't know, gonna have to check it out so I can refamiliarize myself. We're gonna get some pie, we're gonna get some hot showers, we're gonna get a $10 camping spot, and we're gonna have a great spanking day.
Woo!